just got to Toys R Us because I don't know if you guys have heard, but supposedly they're closing down soon, and Toys R Us has become one of Leon's favorite stores. I know he's still young, but he really likes it here. He really likes it, so we want to take him there maybe one last time before they close it down for good, which is really sad because I love Toys R Us as well. I used to get super excited as a kid when my dad would take us there, so it's kind of sad. Super excited right now. I got this NYX PR package in the mail today, and I already opened it for my Instagram. I unboxed it on my Instagram stories, but I wanted to share it with you guys too because it's literally so amazing, and I'm so excited for everything that's in here. Look at all these goodies that they sent me. I'm honestly so excited and thankful, and I can't wait to try everything out. There's a bunch of things in here that I've been wanting to try for the longest. I always wanted to buy their glitter primer and try out their glitters, and now I can. And then I have these two. They also sent these two palettes. I have one of these, but it's not either of these colors, so they sent me this one and this one this one right here as well. So I'm super excited about those. And then I always wanted to try out their eyebrow pencil, and they sent me two of these, so I'm gonna see which one matches me the best. They sent me two different shades. I'm like shaking because I'm so excited. They sent me espresso and brunette, so I'm going to see which one is best for me. They also sent a brush, which I don't have any other brushes. They sent me two concealers, which I have tried their concealers before. This one, the NYX HD concealer, I've tried it before. It was a favorite of mine for a while, but I don't know about these shades that they sent me. They look a little bit dark. I like my concealers to be kind of bright. The one that I used to get was a lot brighter than these, so I don't know if these will work, but maybe this one right here. I'm going to try them out and see. They sent me their HD finishing powder. It looks like it's translucent. Yes, it is translucent. And two of their contour sticks as well. And what else? They sent me this. So this says it's a honey primer, which I've never tried anything like this before. So excited to try that. They sent me one of their finishing sprays and some lip products right here. I'm so excited, so grateful. I can't even believe it. So yeah, I'm super excited to try everything out. I've been thinking of restarting my blog, and so that way I can post reviews on there and swatches of products that I receive. So let me know if you guys want the link to my blog as well. I'll definitely share it. But yeah, I'm super excited, guys. I'm so excited. Anyways, I'm looking a hot mess right now. What else is new? But I'm about to get ready because I'm going to head to Target to get a gift for my niece because her birthday is coming up. I'm also going to try to not buy any makeup Decided to put myself on a no buy, so I'm trying not to buy any makeup for a while. I don't know how long, as I can go. So this is my first time going to the store and trying not to buy anything, so wish me luck. We'll see if I can do it. Another package that I got in the mail today is this thing right here. I got this from Amazon, and it's a phone holder and a little ring light, and I'm going to try to film with it this weekend and see how it works out, see how it looks. I don't know if you guys know, but I film all of my videos with my phone, my iPhone, so I wanted to give this a try, see if that way I can get a little bit better lighting and like a holder as well, because my current ring light doesn't have a stand, so I have to place it kind of far from me and on top of my dresser. So I think that's why my lighting is always kind of off, so I decided to give this a try. So the ring light is pretty small, but I'm still going to be using my bigger ring light in the background for more lighting, so we'll see how it looks. This was $20 on Amazon if you guys are curious. Just finished doing my makeup. This is the look that I did, and lately I've been doing really simple makeup looks. It's just even more than what I've been doing lately. I've just kept it super simple because I don't know about you guys, but I don't have time to be drawing like stars and polka dots on my eyes and like trying a bunch of different techniques. I don't have time. I wish I did. I just been doing quick, simple, easy makeup looks. I'm planning on doing some, I guess, more dramatic, less simple looks soon, hopefully, because I did buy a bunch of new makeup and I won some more makeup in a giveaway recently on Instagram from Ofra Cosmetics, and that's coming I think tomorrow. So I'm super excited and I can't wait to play with everything. That's another reason why I put myself on a makeup no buy, because I literally bought so much makeup recently and I've been getting makeup from giveaways and like PR, which I'm super grateful for, but I honestly don't really need any more makeup, so I'm going to try to put the makeup that I already have to good use and then hopefully stay away from new makeup. It's just so pretty, I can't say no. Looking at makeup and playing with makeup makes me excited and happy, so makeup hoarder alert. Raise your hand if you're a makeup hoarder. Yes, I am. We're on the way to Target right now, and I'm with my mans. I was telling him I want to buy a foundation, but he's like, you have all the makeup in the world. I'm like, I want that foundation. It's the Maybelline foundation that I got already, but I got it in the wrong shade. It's way too dark for me, and I have a coupon for $2 off, so I think I'm gonna get it. Just left Walgreens and I found the foundation I have been looking for a while, but Target didn't have my shade in stock. It's always out of stock, and so we went to Walgreens. I found it there, so I totally broke my no buy, but I didn't buy as many things as I normally do, because normally like I always look for some new makeup to buy, but I only got that, and I got the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder and one Wet n Wild palette, which isn't even for me, so it's pretty good compared to normally how crazy I go looking for makeup and getting some random stuff that I don't need. So I think it's still pretty good, even though I did end up buying a few things. It's better than usual. So we decided to go get some dinner really quick at a Mexican restaurant that we always go to. We've been going there since forever, so we decided to go there right now and get some dinner because we're both really hungry. Back home already, and I already changed into something more comfortable because my pants were feeling a little tight after we ate. So I changed as soon as I got home. I wanted to show you guys really quickly what I got at Walgreens and Target. Well, the makeup items that I got, or the the stuff that I got for me, because I got a few other things for Leon, but I already put those away. So only a couple of things. Like I said, I didn't go crazy. So like I said, I did break my no-buy, but it's not as bad as it normally is. And after today, I'm for sure going to try to cut back like no more. So today was just like a little oops. Here's everything that I got. I only got these 4 items. I got the Maybelline Super Stay 24-hour wear foundation because I bought this foundation. I bought it in 312 and I normally use 220. So this one is 220. See? So I got it in my shade 220 because the other one was just going to be way too dark for me. So I decided to get this one instead. And I'm going to give away the other one that I have. Next, I got this Wet n Wild palette, and this is going to be for my giveaway winner, the one that won the giveaway on Instagram, because I haven't been able to ship out her prize yet, and she's been really patient and really sweet waiting for me, so I decided to add something extra. So I'm going to add this palette right here to her giveaway prize. I heard these are really good dupes for the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. So the colors look super similar, and I've seen swatches and these look really nice, so I decided to get her this one. So that's not for me. And then I got the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I heard a lot of good things about this powder, so I decided to give it a try. I don't have any loose powders that I use right now, so I'm gonna try this one out. The last thing I got is these press-on nails by Kiss, and the design is super cute. My current nails look super busted and disgusting, so I'm going to try to put these on so that they look kind of cute. And that's it. That's everything that I got at the store today. I totally forgot to vlog more at the restaurant, but we were just so hungry. We literally devoured our food and then we headed back home.